on? Today I'm working on my 7.3 OBS. Today I'm replacing my dryer because for a couple of years now I haven't had AC in my truck. So today I'm taking a few steps to get my AC going again. So this is where the dryer sits, and I'm doing my orifice tube too. And it's located right here, right next to the dipstick. And a lot of people forget to actually replace this, and they're usually gunked up with stuff, and sometimes that's the issue where your AC is not working. It's like a miniature filter. So this is the line here. It's right next door, next to your dipstick. And the tool you're going to use is, this is the tool here, and they come in different sizes. I was trying to look for the box for the actual name of this tool, but it's used for AC lines. If you go to your local parts store and tell them you're trying to do a orifice tube, more than likely one of the guys in there will have a half a brain and know what you're talking about, because sometimes you go in there and all they know is how to punch keys into a computer. But what you're going to do is use the 5/8 one here, and here it is here. 5/8, and what you're going to want to do is place it underneath this little ring here. Basically put it on there, and the way you remove it is you get them fitted under the ring and then just push up, jam it in there a little bit, and that's it, and it comes out. Don't forget to do your little O-ring right there. You want to replace that. There it is. There's another picture of the tool. It's just a piece of plastic that jams in there and loosens the line. So that's out, and the actual orifice tube is located in this bigger tube. So what you're going to want to use is some needle nose pliers. Well, and that's not going to work. I'm going to have to find something else, maybe some kind of pick. I'm going to stop rolling here, and I'm going to find something else. I'm going to try to get a pick in there because it's a little bit lower, and I couldn't get him in there. Alright, so basically what I grabbed was just a little pick here, as you could see, because I couldn't get my needle nose in there. So you just stick your pick in there and grab the head of it, and then you're just going to pull up on it. There it is. And as you could see, there's all the different, well, what I was talking about, the different gunk and the dirt and everything. That's why you want to do this. These are very cheap. They only run a few dollars at your local parts store. Very easy. What you want to do is you're going to set the new one back in the tube, press it down till it's seated properly. It can only go so far and it'll stop. You're going to press the new one in there. You're going to take top line here, and you're just going to push down. You're going to push down, make sure it's locked in. It's locked in. So that's easy. That's your replacement of your orifice tube, and it's very important to do them because, as you could see, all the different gunk and dirt on there, and you could see the actual screen is pretty clogged up there. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know where all that nasty stuff came from, but that was in my AC. That looks like a leaf. Huh. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you next time.